Hi from Soldering Iron Shield. In my last video, which you can watch from here, I said so it was all for today, and I'm planning to make a high voltage bridge rectifier using my wall outlet later project. So let's begin. So I was searching for components, so I finally collect them all. So let me show you them. This is a full wave bridge rectifier which we made in last video. You can watch from here. You're gonna use a high voltage capacitor to smooth the output DC voltage. You have a heatsink, something to put live AC wires in it. Hope it will fit. So I draw a circuit diagram which you can see here. Can you see? So basically, high voltage A, can you see? A high voltage AC input comes from here and rectified by full wave bridge rectifier, then goes into a capacitor to smooth the output DC voltage and get to out. Yes, a really basic circuit. The only difference from my old rectifier is it can handle high voltage, so I will use to rectify my home output voltage to use in my future projects. So let's put the components, I guess. Okay, so let's place the input somewhere here. Will be good. First we need to put all components on the prototype board and then solder with my nail soldering iron. Then you're gonna put the bridge rectifier here. I make the holes a bit bigger before starting the video, so it will be easier. Minus output DC voltage is here and plus is here, so we need to know that because we're gonna use a polarized electrolytic capacitor, so you need to connect with correct way, so it won't blow up and it will work. I don't have any thermal paste to put connect the thing to heatsink, but I have some aluminum tape, so I will use that. Let's cut a piece. Prevent overheating the full wave bridge rectifier. So then we're gonna put our electrolytic capacitor to parallel to system, which we will be put somewhere here. Okay, so we put everything in the prototype board, so we just need to solder them in the right order and cut the prototype board. I also need to solder a output wire to capacitor so we can get an output. Let's do that. To help soldering, you can use your old burned legs of LEDs, so you can connect parts together easily. See? They are very flexible and conductive, so that helps a lot. So let's check our circuit diagram and solder all of this. So I complete the circuit. As you can see, only thing I need to do is solder two output wires here, so I can use, and also cut here so I can use it. Let's try. So I found my electronical danger noodle for my old videos, so it's in good condition. It's just missing some isolation, so let me quickly cover the live wires. Then we're gonna plug this into my circuit. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What the?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Why? Why did it blow? I just made it work in my first try, but I forgot to get on video. So I tried again, but this resistor just keeps popping. Okay, so let's plug up my system and I try. As you can see, I tried before and it worked. So I'm sure it will work again. Let's power up my system and see if it's gonna work. By the way, it's my third time trying. I will probably put the one and second time I tried to power it. Let's just power it up and power it up and I will show you it work. See, can you read the voltage? It must be around 200 to 300. It might be more and more from 300 for some reason. I don't know. It might be because of the my high efficiency for rectifier. So let's just cut the power off for anything blows up. Okay. As you can see, it works and it works great. Yeah, it was all for today. So hope I can see you next time.